Whoa, what are those?
The laptops for the new hires. We need to ship them out tonight.
Tonight? Are you guys gonna make it?
What choice do I have? 15 people starting Monday, all remote. And HR go ballistic if we don't set them up right away. They're running my team ragged. Sometimes I feel like we're running a computer store.
15? That many?
That's nothing. Sometimes we have more.
God, HR, right?
Plus, we need to remotely manage and lock down every laptop or we're out of compliance. And that's just in the US. It's a nightmare.
Can't they use a personal PC or buy a plain laptop off the shelf for work?
If it's not locked down by us, it's not secure and compliant. We tried VDI, but virtual desktops are just way too complicated and slow and expensive. And the employees hated it.
Have you tried Venn?
Venn makes securing remote work radically simpler and more affordable. No need for virtual desktops. No need to ship out laptops or lock down every PC or Mac. Onboard workers in minutes. Users work inside the blue border, a company-controlled Secure Enclave installed on any BYOD laptop. The Enclave encrypts data and protects work applications such as Chrome, SaaS apps, Office 365, and web conferencing. Anything inside the blue border is isolated and protected. Administrators can easily set restrictions on copy and paste, printing, file downloads, and more. Venn, the secure workspace for remote work.
Crazy, ain't it?
Yeah. Wow. But you know what's crazier?
Huh?
My Aunt Marcia. Let me tell you. This one time she came over for dinner and she started chopping onions, but instead of peeling them before she started chopping
maybe
them,
later with them.
So she was chopping them and
I'll
then
be
she
right back.
started
I have
cutting
a
every
meeting,
little
so
piece. Do you understand? Like,
follow me.
why did you do that? That's so crazy.